everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to make watermelon agua fresca. It's sweet, refreshing, and super easy to make. So let's get started with the video. Begin by cutting up one watermelon into cubes. So I started by cutting the watermelon in half. I cut both the halves of watermelon different ways. For the first half, I began by cutting off the skin of the watermelon. While I was cutting my watermelon, my cutting board kept moving, so I placed some paper towels under the cutting board, which stopped it from moving. Once I finished cutting the skin off, I then went ahead and cut the watermelon into cubes. With the second half, I just cut it into cubes without cutting off the skin. And then when I got them into a rectangular cube shape, I would just cut off the skin at the end. You can use either method to cut your watermelon. I honestly think the second method is easier, but I just wanted to give you like two ways of doing it. Once you finish cutting up your watermelon into cubes, go ahead and set it to the side. In a small saucepan over medium heat, add a half a cup of sugar and a half a cup of water. Stir your sugar and water mixture occasionally until your sugar has completely dissolved. Once the sugar has dissolved, place your simple syrup to the side. Now place your diced watermelon into a blender. Then blend your watermelon until smooth. By the way, the type of blender I'm using is a Vitamix blender. It's a high-powered professional grade blender and it blends everything easily and smooth. This blender is awesome. I totally recommend it. If you want to check it out, the link for it will be down in the description below. Once you've blended up your watermelon, add 2 cups of water. Then blend the watermelon and the water together for about 5 minutes. Once your watermelon has finished blending, pour it through a strainer into a bowl. We're pouring it through a strainer to get rid of all the pulp. This part is totally optional, you don't have to do it, you can always just leave the pulp in if you want. Once you've finished straining your watermelon, go ahead and add the juice of 1 lime. This step is also optional. If you want, you can go ahead and skim the foam off the top. Now just add your simple syrup. You don't have to add all of your simple syrup, it really just depends on how sweet you want it to be. So just gradually add your simple syrup and continue to taste it and see what works for you. Once you've added your simple syrup, go ahead and mix everything until well combined. When you're finished, set your mixture to the side. In a large pitcher, add ice. Then add your watermelon mixture. Once you've added all of your watermelon mixture, add some watermelons, mint, and slices of lime into your pitcher. And that's it! Go ahead and enjoy your watermelon agua fresca. Pour yourself a glass, add some lime and mint, and you could also add some sugar around the rim or tahini. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!